Hey everybody, Jody here. How you doing? So today, whoa, sorry, I just knocked over my tripod. Oh, maybe I shouldn't pour today. Scary. Anyway, I'm going to try to make this just a 10-minute video. We are going to try a bloom on a glass plate on my spinner. So let's get down some white paint. This is Glidden Premium, and I hope it stays on the center here. The center's kind of flat. And it doesn't look like it's going to, but let's just go for it. So I'm going to have to move quick here, where it all runs off the sides. I don't know, maybe it'll stay there. Nope, it's going off. Okay, so let's hurry. So I'm going to do some Phthalo Blue by Arteza. Then I'm going to do a teal that I mixed up myself, so I can't tell you what it is. It's like a greenish teal color. Then I'm going to do like a cerulean blue. And like a light blue permanent. And then I'm going to put a little bit of gold in the middle. Ooh, gosh, that's falling off there, isn't it? Get it back in the middle. Come on. Gold in here. And a black cell activator. And so you don't have to look at the back of my head. I'm going to pause you while I blow this. Whoops, I'll be right back. Okay, so I blew this out. Oh, it looks really gorgeous. And I waited a few minutes to see if that would come back up in the middle, but it really hasn't. But I like the way that middle looks, so I'm going to go ahead and spin this. And let's see what happens. Oh, I don't seem to be spinning real great today. Must have something kind of rubbing in there, and that's why it's not spinning great. I'm going to tilt it that way a little bit if I can. You can kind of see my middle's still a little bit stuck. Still going to do this way, right? And I'm going to tilt a little bit this way. Sorry if you can't see that for a second. And then let's go that way a little bit. All right, let's do this again. Spin. it look like it's on there straight? It doesn't to me. I had it perfectly on there, perfectly centered. But now I have paint on it and can't see where the center is. Wow. Kind of pretty, huh? Whoa, that's not pretty. Hold on. Back in the middle here. I don't know why all my things are coming off here. I guess I could just, well, I'd take them off, but I can't. Got them taped on there. Come on, go over the edge for me. Just a little more on either of these sides. Almost there. Come on, baby. Go over the edge. Let's help it a little bit right here. Kind of pull it over here. Oh my gosh. Wow, it did not come off. I didn't ruin it. Oh, that has to go on underneath there, or I can't do anything with it, right? Now I got paint all over that. Shoot. Darn it. Everything's bunching up under here. Okay, we're going to get a different spinning system here, aren't we? If we want this to work, you know what? Please, just a teeny bit more. Carefully. And I think I'm done. Let's get you down for a close-up. This is quite beautiful. Oh my. Look at that. Woo! Pretty. Oh, I think it's beautiful. Okay, wiping hands off, grabbing the camera. Let's take you for a close-up, and this is one short video for a change. Huh? Should I try to tilt it that way just a little bit? Will it move for me? Let's try. It is moving a little bit. Center a little bit. Oh, I just stuck my finger in it right here. I knew I should have left it alone. It's slipping. This was just a test anyway, you guys. I just wanted to see what would happen if I did this on a piece of glass, which actually can be hung on the wall. I wonder what it looks like on the other side. White paint. I'm going to leave it. Okay. Let's get the camera and see what this looks like close up. I hope I got enough paint off. Ooh, we almost weren't even in frame. I'm sorry. Hold on. Okay. Wow. You know what? I think that is beautiful. Focus for me. Thank you. Let's go around the edge. Oh, I love how that gold looks right there. I wonder how much more that'll run off the edges. I don't really care if it runs off the edges a little bit more. Got that beautiful gold in there. It almost looks brown there. It's not brown at all. It's black, but I don't know why my camera's showing it like that. But anyway, pretty nice lacing there. What do you think? When I get this dried, I will show you how I hung it on the wall, or whatever I'm going to do with it. I'm not sure, but we'll look at it when it's dry. I'll do another video or add it to another one so you can see. So thanks for watching. Hope that was fun. We'll talk to you on the next video. Bye for now.